Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce this driving recorder to you. Models 3 or 5. This is a 3-inch. The screen. The screen. This recorder function, it has parking, surveillance, loop-in video, gravity sensing before 108p, up to 720p. Next, I will show you the operation of the installation. Stick up card reader, memory card, the power supply contracts, the rear camera, stand, manual. All accessories are here. It is. Plug it in. Type C port. Plug in the rear camera. The hole. It comes with a 32 grams memory card. Insert into the TF ports. Sleep quietly. Then install the bracket. Buckle it in. Tear off the membrane. Then find the right location. Give it a twist here. Lock the suction cups. Stun suction cup. Next, turn on the power. Find the socket for that cigarette lighter.